Hello everyone, this is Chacha and welcome back to my channel. As you all know, we had tornado last March 3rd and it hit Nashville and surrounding counties badly. So we are here in the Donaldson area. This was one of the places that were affected. As you can see, there's a lot of houses that were wiped out and we are here to do our volunteer work.
Volunteer work for all these people that affected for the tornado Nashville 2020, and we're here with Gigiga and Nina and Ina, and we're here at the Downey May area.
Yeah. Look at this.
So this is it. This is the whole place.
Look at that house over there.
As you can see from the tornado damage, it was very devastating. I am very lucky to live in Tennessee, which is known as the volunteer state, and we help others in need. So this is the Donaldson Christian Academy, and as you can see, they are really badly affected. So this is what's the inside of the school. Thank you everyone who came and volunteered, and let's keep Nashville strong.